Welcome to Auto's Insight, your go-to channel for car diagnostics, maintenance tips, and automotive insights. Today, we're diving into a crucial engine sensor that often causes performance issues when it fails, the MAP sensor, or Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor. If your engine feels weak, your fuel economy drops, or your car struggles to accelerate, a bad MAP sensor could be to blame. In this video, we'll explore what a MAP sensor does, how it impacts your engine's performance, and the key symptoms that signal it's going bad. First, let's understand what the MAP sensor actually does. The MAP sensor measures the pressure inside your engine's intake manifold. It sends this data to the engine control unit, ECU, which then adjusts fuel injection and ignition timing based on how much air is entering the engine. This information is critical for maintaining the right air-fuel ratio. If the MAP sensor sends inaccurate data or stops working altogether, the engine won't know how much fuel to inject, leading to a wide range of drivability issues. One of the first and most common signs of a bad MAP sensor is poor engine performance. You might notice sluggish acceleration, a noticeable loss of power, or even jerky throttle response. Since the ECU is receiving incorrect pressure readings, it may lean out or flood the engine with too much fuel. This results in an engine that doesn't respond the way it should, especially when you're trying to speed up or climb hills. Another clear symptom is poor fuel economy. A failing MAP sensor can cause the engine to use more fuel than necessary, which means you'll find yourself filling up more often. It can also lead to rough idling, where the engine vibrates or sounds uneven while the car is at a stop. Some drivers also experience engine misfires or stalling, especially when coming to a stop or starting the car. If your car has a check engine light on, there's a good chance the MAP sensor is part of the issue. Fault codes like P0106, P0107, or P0108 often point to problems with a MAP sensor circuit or signal. You can use an OBD2 scanner to check for these codes, and it's a good idea to get the issue diagnosed sooner rather than later to avoid damaging your engine or catalytic converter. Another sign to look out for is a failed emissions test. Since the MAP sensor helps control the combustion process, a malfunctioning sensor can cause excessive emissions, including high hydrocarbon or carbon monoxide levels. Replacing a faulty MAP sensor is relatively simple and inexpensive, especially when compared to the long-term cost of driving with misfiring engine or burning too much fuel. In short, a failing MAP sensor can quietly rob your car of performance, fuel efficiency, and reliability. If you notice power loss, poor mileage, or rough idle, don't ignore it. Get it diagnosed and replaced promptly. That small sensor plays a big role in your engine's health. Thanks for tuning in to Auto's Insight. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more expert car tips, and let us know in the comments if you've ever dealt with a bad MAP sensor. See you in the next video.